Look at me. Are you in this country with or without permission?
Without.
Drinking while driving? And I'm going to tell you now, the incoming president is not very sympathetic with people who are in immigration custody. Do you understand? You will be stuck like Chuck in custody. Tell me, are you a United States citizen?
I'm a resident.
I don't know if you are or not. And quite frankly, I don't care.
He walked into court like it was no big deal, thought a DUI was just another formality. Show up, say sorry, walk out. But then the judge hit him with one question. Are you in the country legally? That's when everything flipped. Number, license, no immigration status, and a trail of bad choices catching up fast. He didn't realize how serious it was until the judge mentioned jail time and deportation. What do you think are the courts handling undocumented immigrants? Fairly, or is this going too far? Let's watch and find out.
Arnaldo Bernabe Larios Tayun.
Yes, sir.
Order in the court, please.
You were charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be afforded to you, sir.
On October 31st, 2024, officers were dispatched at 2:46 a.m. to report to the motor vehicle sitting in the intersection of a public roadway in Harris County, Texas.
Can I get you to slow down just a tad?
Yes,
please.
of course.
Order in the court.
The vehicle was sitting in the intersection of a public roadway in Harris County, Texas, with the driver asleep at the wheel. Upon arrival, officers located defendant's motor vehicle and observed defendant to be the sole occupant of the vehicle. Upon contact with the defendant, officers observed red, glossy eyes, slurred speech, and an odor of alcoholic beverage emitting from the defendant's person, along with poor balance. The defendant admitted to drinking, and an inventory of the vehicle yielded several open, cold to the touch beer cans.
Drinking while driving?
Most of which were mostly empty. SFSTs were conducted, 6 out of 6 HGN, plus vertical gaze nystagmus, and 3 out of 4 one-leg stand. The defendant failed to perform the walk and turn because he failed to follow instructions. DICs were read but refused, and a warrant was signed and executed. He has no driver's license, judge, and no prior criminal history.
I would hope that you recognize it's elementary that you're not supposed to have alcohol in the car while you are driving, Mr. Tayun. Do you have a Texas driver's license? Look at me.
No.
Not allowed to drive. What is your immigration status? Are you a United States citizen?
No.
No.
Are you in this country with or without permission?
Without.
What happens if you go to jail?
I don't know, I believe they'll return me to my country.
Right.
Cierto.
You will sit in jail waiting for this case to be over with, and then you will be shipped off to immigration. But you will sit in immigration custody for about 6 to 9 months waiting for immigration to do whatever they're going to do. And I'm going to tell you now, the incoming president is not very sympathetic with people who are in immigration custody. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm putting conditions on you and your bond. And if you violate it in any way, then you will go to jail. The reason you got out as quick as you did is because we gave you a free bond. It will not happen again. You violate conditions. More importantly, if you drive, because I'm ordering you not to, then I'm going to make your bond extremely high.
You can hear the shift the moment the judge mentions immigration. This guy isn't scared of jail. He's scared of what comes after. No license, open containers, no legal status, and somehow he still expected a warning. The judge gave him one last chance. No drinking, no driving, no mistakes. But it clearly didn't sink in. He nodded like he got it, but you could tell he was already thinking of a way around it. And when he gets caught again, because he will, it won't just be jail. It'll be deportation, and he'll act shocked all over again.
This is a promise that you're going to make to me today, that you're not going to drive. And I don't care what is going on in your life. You drive. I can have a contempt hearing. You will be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you get into a car and drive. So if you drive 3 times, I will have 3 contempt hearings. You are also not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or illegal drugs, likewise, you will go to jail. And let me be frank with you. If they charge you with the open container, that is a minimum of 5 days in jail. And I'm going to tell you, if you do anything more than 4 hours in custody, you will be stuck like Chuck in custody with an immigration detainer. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive? I'm not done yet. After that, you will get to Ramona where you will sign a reset. After that, you'll get with Lisa for your bond conditions. This is the only warning that you will get from us, Mr. Tayoun. So, take it. If not, you will spend a lot of time with us. When you come back, please have a lawyer, sir. Now you may go.
Now comes the second guy. Walks in like he's renewing a license at the DMV. No urgency, no fear, just going through the motions. But this isn't paperwork. This is jail we're talking about. His blood alcohol level was through the roof. 5 empty bottles in the car, one still sealed like he downed a 6-pack before even starting the engine. And yet, nothing sinks in. The judge mentions immigration hold, and it's like static, blah blah blah, don't do it again. Then, months later, when they're sitting in ICE custody, they act shocked like no one ever warned them.
Luis Armando Hernandez Ramos,
Yes, I am.
charged with driving while intoxicated. You were facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine because of the high blow. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. On November 9th, 2024, officer conducted a traffic stop on the defendant's vehicle at approximately 10:47 p.m. after observing it weave between 2 lanes and fail to signal lane changes. Upon contact with the defendant's vehicle, the officer observed a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage, red glassy eyes, slow speech, unsteady balance, and a glazed over look. The defendant had inconsistent statements and trouble with the timeline of the evening. The defendant admitted to drinking beer in his truck prior to driving. Standard field sobriety level.
Did he have alcohol in the car while he's driving?
Your Honor, yes, and towards the end of the statement. So, officer conducted standard field sobriety test, AGN 6 out of 6, walk and turn 8 out of 8, and a 1-leg stand 3 out of 4. An inventory search of the vehicle revealed 5 empty 32-ounce Corona bottles, 1 32-ounce Corona bottle with 1 ounce of
Corona, I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
present.
Go a little bit slower, huh?
Thank you, sir.
An inventory search of the vehicle revealed 5 empty 32-ounce Corona bottles, 1 32-ounce Corona bottle with 1 ounce of fluid in the bottle, and 1 empty 24-ounce Modelo.
Drinking while Driving?
mientras está manejando.
DIC was read,
Le leyeron su
and defendant consented
y
to
el
correct.
acusado
The
permite
results were
corregir. Los resultados
0.174
fueron punto
and 0.173.
y punto 173.
Mr. Hernandez Ramos,
Vamos.
I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Tell me, are you a United States citizen?
Ciudadano de Estados Unidos.
Presidente.
I'm a resident.
I don't know if you are or
Yo
not.
no sé si lo
And
es o
quite
no.
frankly, I don't care.
Francamente,
This is where reality starts to hit. The judge lays it out clearly. No driving, no drinking, no excuses. Not a warning, not a maybe. One mistake means 6 months in jail. No second chances. Violate once, you're trapped. Violate twice, you're done. It's not a suggestion, it's a trap, and one of them is going to walk right into it. Because they always think they can cheat the system. But next time, it won't just be charges. It'll be immigration holds, endless court dates, and jail time with no clear release. All because they thought they were smarter than the rules.
But one thing I want you to understand is if there is any problem with your immigration paperwork whatsoever, and you go to jail and immigration finds you,
a la cárcel.
they will put an immigration detainer on you and you will be stuck like Chuck in jail until this case is over with, and then you will be shipped off to immigration where you will sit for another 6 to 9 months. I hope that you would recognize it's damn elementary for you not to have alcohol in the car while you are driving. You now,
Ahora,
I am barring you from driving whatsoever. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me that you're not going to drive. And I don't care what is going on in your life. If I find that you drive in violation of this affidavit, I can have a hearing to hold you in contempt, slap you with up to 180 days every time you drive.
yes, cada vez
Do you understand?
entiende. Yes.
You cannot give any justification at all for getting into a car and driving,
So,
and there will be a very hefty toll.
a ver,
I'm also ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and I will randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or any kind of illegal drugs or unprescribed controlled medication, likewise, you will go to jail.
va a ir a la
You
cárcel.
will not get any more PR bonds. And like I said, any issues with your immigration whatsoever,
Ya lo que sea,
you will be with me for a long time.
va a estar ahí por largo tiempo. Okay.
I will have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive.
Va a jurar que
I
usted
will
no
have
va
you
a
sign a
manejar.
receipt with Victoria. I will also have you sign your bond conditions with Felicia. We will get you out of here because you need a lawyer to represent you, and we will give you time to go hire a lawyer.
Le vamos
When you come back, hire a lawyer. If you fail to come back, I will issue a warrant for your arrest.
a otra vez. Yo entonces voy a dar una orden de arresto.
This is the part that always hits. They walk out thinking they're lucky, like they beat the system. But the moment they mess up again, it's jail. Then immigration, then they're gone. And somehow, they're still shocked, even after being warned 5 times. But what do you think? Are the courts doing enough to stop this cycle? Or are these cases repeating because no one takes illegal immigrants seriously? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget, new courtroom videos every day. Appreciate you watching.